Hey guys, it's Danny's Queen. Boy, have I been busy today. I've been outside working all day, and you know what that means. Time for a drink. I'll turn you around, show you what all I got done today. Okay. This whole area was overgrown, so I mowed it all down, pulled the grass along the side, all that. Working on this area right here. You can see my mess. I need to go take that to the side of the road. But them trash grass, I don't know, mini trees pretty much, was all right here. Been working on cleaning all that out. Trimmed all the way along right here. Gotta do all that. Gotta take all that wood to the side of the road. Hold on, I need a drink of my beer. I caught 2 chickens today because they got out. That's always fun. So, here's a look at the chickens. So yeah, I did all this. Progress. It's not perfection, it's progress. We can walk through here now. I was working on this right here, but then I got sidetracked with all this other stuff. But I'll come back and get to it. All this. You see my video yesterday. This was all overgrown, all that. So my king don't want me using the weed eater. He don't want me to chop my legs off. So he's gonna give me a battery powered one, so I'll be able to do the weed eating instead of pulling it out by hand. So, but I did the best I could. Started cleaning out the 3rd greenhouse, all the clippings and stuff. I got the 1st greenhouse all swept out again. I got all the grass pulled along the side right here of this greenhouse. But I told you in my video yesterday I had to mow around here, so that's what I did. I got all this side pretty much cleaned out. And then along this side right here of the greenhouse inside, I got all the grass pulled. The blackberries look nice. I picked a huge one yesterday. It was so big. Oh, sorry. There we go. I'll have to come and pick all the ones that are ready. But I started mowing along the bayou right here. There's like a little lip right there with some cinder blocks, so I can't really get all that tall grass without doing the weed eater. But it's coming. I mowed through here. Got all the grass cut right here where these pipes are. So, I've been very busy today. I earned my beer. So, and I had mowed in the back yesterday, but there's a few things, you know, I gotta clean up and all that, but I'm getting there. So, see how, I know you guys seen a couple weeks ago when I cleaned out the greenhouse. Well, it was a mess again, but it's all cleaned out again. This one at least. Blackberries are doing good. The asparagus is doing good. The flowers are doing good. Alright guys, I'm going to sit on my swing and enjoy my drink. And hopefully you guys like my little update I did. Stay tuned to next week, and I'll show you the stuff that I get done next week. Y'all grow that later. Bye.